This is a course introduction for API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy full course. This course, you can try our free quiz. It's $249. We are a CPD accredited company, training provider. And this course comes with 4 hours of video clips, 95 lectures, 600 questions, and 1,700 cue cards and flashcards. Pass first time, or you'll have a free renewal. So for any reason you have failed or you have not attended the course, we will extend it for another 4 months. This course has 120 days, 24/7 course access, plus online support. You can always contact us through for technical query, general query, and access and IT. And normally we respond within minutes during working hours. You can also contact us at this button. You can read about our accreditation, our expertise, and our team. And you can use this frequently asked question if you have. There are QC tips, free downloads, free quiz and webinar recordings, and we provide API ICP preparatory course, including API 577, and also API EU approved courses on pressure vessel, storage tank, risk-based inspection, and piping inspection. This course has 16 modules, and it covers all the publication effectivity sheet, API 577, ASME Section 9, as well as we also brought ASME Section 5, which is actually in API 577 already. Explains Module 1, explains body of knowledge and exam tips, and have some 20 sample question or quiz that you can study. This is free for all. Module 2 explains body of knowledge and also has some exam tips. Again, this is also free for all. Module 3 through to 13. Each module has detailed explanation of the reference documents and includes PowerPoint presentation for additional understanding. Module 14 has the highlights of reference study materials within publication effectivity sheet. Module 15 has 7 sets of flashcards that should be treated as potential exam questions. And Module 16 has 400 questions within 4 sets of mock exams with explanations, plus ND and welding practice questions. The practice questions for each module cross-checks your understanding of the concepts, while the flashcards helps reminding you key points and can be used for quick referral. Our mock exam questions are in line with real API questions aimed at verifying your knowledge and how to apply them. And our training approach helps you solve any question within any context and scenario, since you would be capturing the concepts, principles, and theory rather than merely memorizing some numbers or facts without understanding the underlying reason of their application. The depth of each topic or module covered is based on the expected number of questions. This would help spending your time more efficiently and be more focused by concentrating on high score exam topics. We have also complemented our API 577 Welding Inspection and Metallurgy course with everyday knowledge that is expected from hands-on inspectors. All these plus selective videos, exam tips, time management techniques, flashcards, PowerPoint presentations, quizzes, practice and mock exam questions with explanations, and many more. Our training course goes through 7 checkpoints reviewed by a team of subject matter experts, and the course content is revised regularly based on the latest revision of body of knowledge. As part of our continuous improvement campaign, we pay special attention to candidates' feedback and queries, since this would highlight whether we could explain a topic well enough or not. The objective is to have the least number of queries as one of our key performance indicators by enhancing the clarity and transparency of our course. You can look at our course content that I will shortly go through that. If you know about the concepts, we have 2 other options for you. The mock exam package with 600 questions, 400 flashcards, PowerPoint presentation, plus 1 hour of video clips that you can click on this and go to the that section. For premium mock exam package, all of the mock exam package plus an extra 1,100 flashcards. And those candidates who have already bought our mock exam or premium and wish to upgrade to our full course with money back guarantee, need only pay the difference. We provide 120 days, 24/7 course access and online support via WhatsApp and email. And you can study our first and second module and try our quiz for free, pass first time, or take the course again for free. And this is our WhatsApp line plus our email address that you can click on this and you can write to us if you have any queries. Now let's go to the course content and see what this course has. So we start with module 1, basic facts, and we have some exam tips and benchmark quiz. On module 2, we have some discuss the body of knowledge and some exam tips. On module 3, we discuss terms and definitions, the vocabulary of API 577. And module 4, welding inspection before, during, and after welding. Welding process, the 8 popular welding processes. And module 6, WPS, welding procedure specification and PQR. And module 7, welding materials, welding consumables, and welder performance qualification on module 8. And the non-destructive examination is a comprehensive list, includes that introduction to NDE, visual test, magnetic particle test, ACFM, penetrant test, eddy current test, radiography, UT, ultrasonic test, hardness test, leak test, data recording, and it comes with 4 sets of flashcards and 2 sets of practice questions. On module 10, we'll discuss metallurgy. On module 11, refinery and petrochemical plants, the welding issues. And on module 12, we shall be discussing having PowerPoint presentation on welding procedure, welder performance qualification, consumables, defects, repairs, pipe and plate inspection, visual inspection, and finally with a set of cue cards. On module 13, we'll be discussing ASME section 9, the part QW, which includes WPS, PQR, WPQ, welder qualification, and the general requirements, UG, UW, and UCS. And it comes with flashcards and practice questions. And in module 14, we have highlighted all the publication effectiveness sheet. These are 24 lessons, starts with ASME section 9, as you can see here, and then carry on to API 577, and then finally the ASME section 5 NDE, all the articles that are relevant. And then we're providing you with 9 sets of flashcards here and cue card all together. So these are potential exam questions. And then the last module 16 is the benchmark quiz, all the practice question, plus the 4 sets of complete mock exam questions here. If you have any query, please use our WhatsApp line or write to us by contacting us, and we shall be happy to help. Thank you.